Today I'm going to tell you how to make a PDF from read only to read and write on your Mac. So I'm not sure how you can do this on Windows, but I can should do it on my Mac. So if I discover a way to do it on Windows, I'm sure gonna let you know. No, I don't need any extra application. I have Adobe Reader, but that won't help me a single bit in this process. So I have you see, a lot of people make PDFs read only. I don't know why, but I think it's set as default in their computers. But it doesn't let you to edit, nor does it let you to copy. So in case you want to copy some content, or let's say a teacher made some notes for you, or let's say you have a textbook that your teacher sent using a Google Classroom or whatever, like an ebook, and you want to edit, desperately make notes out of the ebook, but you can't, so you don't want to type everything out again, of course. So this is, wait a minute, I don't want this. This is another chapter. The first one I'm going to do is about this measures of spread. This is the statistics chapter. So if I click on document properties, I can see this is password security. So yeah, so I have only Adobe Reader. You know, you want Acrobat 7.0 and later. So document restrictions, I can print this. Document assembly not allowed, content copying not allowed, content copying for accessibility allowed, and page extraction, commenting, filling of form fields, signing, creation of template pages. No, all of this is not allowed. It means I cannot put a stick note, and neither can I. Where's that? Oh yeah, wait a minute. I'll wait for it to load. Neither I can add text or check marks or initials or signatures. So so people think of it as a problem. So I don't think it's a problem on my Mac. So just right click and say open with preview. So you should open with preview, and you can edit this. Yes, you can edit this. Let me just type in some text like this one. So see the original, look at the notice on the top. It hasn't got all those hi-fi features, but it's good enough to just edit a PDF. On top of that, you just saw that the same file, measures of spread, is not that the same file is, yeah, this is edited, right? So I can, yeah, but this whole thing, you saw, it's the same thing, isn't it? So I can copy content as well. So I'm gonna prove it to you. Oh, my highlight was on. No, I don't want to highlight anything. So for example, let me just say for this, for both A and B, so I can right click and click on copy, and then I can copy and as well as paste it. So as I'm gonna do in text edit right now, because it's the simplest editor and launch the most fastest. If I want to launch Word, it's gonna take some more. It's gonna take about about 30 seconds. You see, it's the same thing, isn't it? Just compare this. Let me just reduce this. Just compare the text. It's the same, isn't it? You can see it's the same thing, right? So, and also I don't know how, yeah, so also you can just click on Finder, go to, where was that? Help. Go view, edit. Yeah, show clipboard. Yeah, so this is the clipboard, okay? So that was cool, wasn't it? So you can just edit your PDF without Acrobat. And a lot of people haunt the search on YouTube. Okay, we want to get Acrobat. Now wait, but this is a copy. It did not edit the actual document. So this is actually a copy. So I can copy this. I can change the format to anyone I like. I'm just gonna save it as, you know how PDF looks like. So I'm just gonna save it as JPEG. I'm gonna set it to the best quality resolution, whatever it is. What's the maximum resolution? I have no clue. Duplicate. Wait a minute. Delete copy. I don't want that. So save. Let's just save it as a JPEG. Let it be whatever. It was originally 300, right? I'm just gonna set it to 300. I'm not gonna do anything to it. Save. Where's that JPEG file now? Yep, there. This is a JPEG image, and you see that it's only one page, and it's pretty much saved as an image. Cancel. Pretty much saved as an image. Whereas this is a PDF, so you can as well just delete this. Okay. So I don't want it. So this can be done only for one page PDFs, or you'll have a few images. Like if your document is 15 pages, you'll have 15 images which you can't even edit unless you convert it to PDF, of course. But the whole thing will be saved as an image. That's again a problem. So don't worry about it. So don't save it as PDF. Just look at the file list. There's no docx there. That's a big problem.